now let's look at merging two clips together and do something that's called a crossfade. So this is our Vox clip that we've already got. Let's choose another clip that we want to merge with this one. So I think we should go to links and put Ben's first link.
Today, 30 years after the strike, Barnsley remembers its mining heroes. Memorial, Prince. It's a sust at those that lost their lives standing up to the Thatcher government.
Okay, so that's Ben's first link. What I want to do is put that at the beginning of the package to be followed by this Vox Pop clip. And we need to merge them together nicely. So let's click on where the end of the clip is and drag along again. Plenty of room at the beginning and plenty at the end. And we can either put it on the next track down, but if we want to merge them together nicely, Reaper will actually crossfade them together for us. So what that means is, let's make that smaller, because I've toggled and zoomed out, sorry. Move that further along just by clicking on it and dragging it across, so we can make plenty of room at the beginning for this clip to go. Click on it and just simply, again, drag it up to the top, okay, and drop it where we need it to be. We'll do the same thing with this one as we did in the first one. We need to trim the beginning, like that. Okay, click on the start point, spacebar.
Today.
Okay, there's a bit of paper rustling, so let's see.
Today.
Now I would zoom in so we can do it a bit easier. Okay, this is toggling out. Okay, let's get that and do a nice fade in there. If it's the beginning of the whole piece, you fade in nicely at the beginning.
Today.
Okay, got that there. In fact, I might trim that a little bit more. And then take the crossfade. Okay.
Today.
A little bit more. Don't like that click on the beginning of it.
Today, 30 years after the strike, Barnsley.
Okay, that's all right. I could spend more time making it a little bit cleaner, which I would do if I was doing it for real. Okay, so then this is the next clip I want to go into it. So what happens, I'll just zoom in again. What happens when you drag one clip over the top of the other is it does a crossfade for you in Reaper. So if you drag it, you see you start to get these cross arrows. Okay, so what that's doing is taking that volume away from the beginning of the clip. So I haven't got a lot of space on the beginning of this one, but I've got a lot of space on the edge of this one. So if I take them both a bit tighter and then zoom in a little bit more, click there because that's where I want the zoom to focus. And if we drag it along like that, it should crossfade nicely just on that bit there. Let's see if that works. Click that.
Thatcher government.
I'm an ex-miner.
Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, so that.
Up to the Thatcher government.
I'm an ex-miner. What?
Yeah, that'll do. Okay, I've crossfaded them both, and what it does, just so you don't get a jolt in change of the sound and the background noises called the while track. You can merge two clips from the same interview together if you want to edit out a question. But really you should be crossfading all your clips. So if you're going link clip, link clip, link clip, you should have a nice crossfade at all the junctions. And that's how to do a crossfade.